So Google just released a couple of new Pixel phones just recently, and unlike Apple, they have actually changed something visually. So basically you got the baseline model, you got the Pro model, and you got the Pro XL version, and you have a flip phone. So obviously I'm not a tech channel, so this video is not sponsored by Google in any way or form, but those engineers at Google are seriously cooking. If you compare the Pixel 8 and Pixel 9, there obviously is some changes to the camera. So basically these are the specs of the Pixel 9. You got the same processor. The Pro and the Pro XL version have a much bigger RAM. The screen is also slightly bigger in the Pixel 9 Pro XL. You also got bigger battery life on the Pro XL, but relatively the same at the Pixel 9 and Pixel Pro. The front camera on the Pro and Pro XL have a lot more megapixels than the Pixel 9 noob version. But everything else is basically the same. The only difference is that the Pixel 9 doesn't have a telephoto camera. It also comes in 4 colors. You got black, white, pink, or pinkish red, and light green. Now there's probably some names to these colors, but I just like to keep them simple. And you also got the fold phones. It's basically the same as the Pixel Pro phones, but the only difference is that, well, you know, it can fold, and that's basically the specs. Now let's talk about the personality of the phone, the operating system. And yes, basically it has a shit ton of AI. While Apple calls it Apple Intelligence, Google calls it Gemini, which is basically just ChatGPT built into your phone. I mean, how good can it get? You have free ChatGPT on your phone, come on. You also got this feature called AI generated photos. It's like the generative fill in Photoshop, but embedded in your phone, which is actually kind of good if you wanted to remove something or someone in the picture. And yeah, something went wrong during the demo.
Let's see if the demo spirits are with us today. Nope. Uh-oh. Looks like they're not with us. All right. Let me try that one more time.
The camera app also has this new feature which allows the cameraman to join the picture. It's just wild.
All right, there we go. So I'm gonna pop over to that add me mode.
As you can see, the overlay, the augmented reality overlay is guiding me, and now I can take a photo here in one single shot.
They have also released a couple of new Pixel watches. Nothing interesting here, just bigger battery, bigger and brighter screen, better sensor, and just the same stuff but slightly better. And you also got new Pixel Buds, which basically cancels twice as much noise than before. They've got this new A1 chip, better sounds, improved clear calling, and basically just the same stuff but slightly better again. And yeah, that's basically it. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.